Okay, welcome to our lesson 2. Modeling a stair with a handrail. It's a kind of structure over a pipe cross. Let's see here some details to check if it's everything okay. Okay, let's see here in our project. Let's select here and click with right button, advanced properties, and okay, let's take a look here in step bottom. Okay, landing, landing, top cover, plate, grate, because I want grate. I don't know if diamond grate, miser grating, cover thickness, top cover, bottom landing. Okay, for me here it's everything. Let's change to conceptual here to take a look if everything it's okay. Okay, let's take a look in our project. We have this detail here. Okay, this detail we are going to model here in this detail here. We are going to model this detail. We are going to model here. Put here front. Okay, change to wireframe, and the first step here is to change the UCS to this position. Okay, select shift, hold shift in your keyboard and select with the right button temporary snap. Let's turn the X. Okay, and let's model here. You can, for example, put here our midpoint here and take a line, specify the 0, 0, F8 to orthogonal, and let's put here a dimension of 300. Okay, 300. Very good. Here. Okay. Take a look here. This beam is UPN 200. Okay. Let's put a standard modeling objects here. Beam polyline. Select. Specify the start point. Or beam foam line. Here. Confirm. And change here to UPN. Okay. UPN. Select all. Here. Let's take a look here. UPN here. If you have doubts, click here. Channels UPN 200. Double click. Channels UPN 200. Change here. Select rotation. And it's okay. Let's put here. Here we have a difference here. Okay, take a look because we have Let's put here a difference here. Minus 10. Yes, it's okay. Minus 10. Okay. Because if you don't do this, we are going to have problem in our. Let's take a look here. Copy. Click confirm. Specify the base point. And F8 for me it's clicked. Midpoint here. Take a look here. It's okay. Double click and rotate. Yes. Take a look here. Positioning 0. Yes. Okay, very good. And now we are going to trim or fillet, trim. Here, features, meter. Click here, confirm. Click here, confirm. The same proceeding. Click here, confirm. Click here, confirm. Okay. Let's check if it's okay. Take a look here. Beam. Change the color, the beam. Yes, it's okay. Beam here. And change to, yes, orange. Very good. Take a look in conceptual view. Yes. Very, very good. Okay, select UCS world. And after that, take a look in our properties here. Advanced properties. Take it easy. Step top, step bottom. Step top and step bottom. Step top doesn't need, but step bottom. Take a look here. Okay, after that we are going to change this. For now, we already have our stair modeled, okay? Hit the thumbs up and continues in our next class.